Spices. So in today's video, we are making one of my favorite side dishes. It is Mexican street corn casserole. It is packed with flavor. You can either put it as a side dish or even just eat it on its own, like I do sometimes. If you want to know how to make it, let's go spice things up.
To a casserole dish, we're going to add 3 cans of drained corn. We're going to add 2 smoked jalapeños. We're going to chop them up real fine. And then we are going to add 2/3 cup of sour cream and 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. And of course, if you don't have smoked jalapeños, you can add regular jalapeños. Next, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we are going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of cojita cheese. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Normally, I squeeze fresh lime juice. Next, I'm adding a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan sea salt. You can add whatever kind you want. And 3 tablespoons of cilantro. You'll, of course, want to chop up your cilantro. Next, we are going to stir all the ingredients together so it's nice and creamy, just like this. And into the oven it goes at 375 for about 30 minutes. We'll come back and check on it. And once it bubbles up and it's a little golden brown, you can tell it is done. For a little extra, sometimes I go ahead and stir this up and I add a little bit of shredded pepper jack to the top and turn it on broil for about 15 minutes so the cheese is golden brown on top. But of course, you don't have to do that. You can go ahead and eat it just like this. And I usually serve this with carne asada.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more side dishes or other recipe ideas, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.